and gentlemen, please get your hands together for Mr. Siddesh.
I was just telling Yogesh.
I'm here.
Yes, thank you. There is Yogesh. I was just telling him that it reminds me of my college cricket team days when I was always the last one to go. And I always used to get out on the first ball. So I hope you guys stay here beyond 1 minute. Now, how many of you here know me? Okay.
All of them.
Pretty many. So can one of you, Mr. Rajiv,
Yeah.
can you tell me who I am?
Shitej Kotak.
No. Anyone else wants to take a wild guess? Sorry.
A man in a black suit.
And in the black suit, this blue incidentally. Yes, Praveen?
Assad President.
Assad President. No, that's a tag. That's not a who I am. I am
Human.
ISODA. All the members of ISODA, I am ISODA. Why? When you are sleepy, नशे में जब होते हो तभी किससे आंख धोते हो? सोडा से. Soda. So I am supposed to keep you up. I am supposed to make sure that you guys are awake. That was on the lighter note. Now the next 30 minutes are going to change the way you realize, analyze, and respond forever. My request to you is keep your mobile phones on the silent mode. Because if you are going to make it ring, I am going to ask everyone to sing happy birthday. Is everyone with me on that?
Yes.
Happy. Fantastic. Alright. So, good evening.
Good evening.
I am going to make you swear by the deep sea by the time you leave this room today. Can somebody read out, the gentleman in the first row, can you please read out what this is?
With my control.
Sorry?
Read a line.
We find comfort among those who agree with us. Growth among those who don't.
Okay, so thank you so much. Now, if you agree with me, you grow. If you don't agree with me, I grow. And here I am to grow myself, not to grow you. So you are not going to get any learning from me today. But yes, I hope to ignite a spark within you that will make you learn the things in some other way. So that's what we are going to do. Incidentally, did you guys notice something on the screen that was weird? Yes, no, one after one. Let me.
So you have Bill Gates on the screen, you have Bill Gates and while you have a quote from somebody else.
Correct. Now, why is that so? That's because Bill Gates is the person who has used this statement many more times than Mr. Frank Clark has. So that's the queer thing that I think 5 or 6 of you realize. Now, you guys know who's Bill Gates, right? Now, how many of you know who this is?
Chulbul Pandey.
Chulbul Pandey.
The bum. Right? Let's see. The sound is.
Chulbul Pandey.
Sorry? This is Dabang 2. Why this?
शादी के पहले शादी के बाद.
शादी आंखें खोल देती है. In business terms, We call it transformation. So what I believe is, after attending this workshop, आपकी आंखें खुल जाएगी, or at least you will be able to watch something that is not so evident. Now tell me, how many of you can figure out what is happening? What does that image denote?
जुगाड़
Sorry?
जुगाड़
Right. No, what exactly is being done?
Laws being broken.
Okay, the police is asking for driving license. So what happens usually is, I don't have a license. License क्यों नहीं बनाया? I hope people are comfortable with Hindi. How many of you are not comfortable at all with Hindi? Everyone is. Oh, 1, 2. Alright, so I'll try and keep English as the 99.9% of the language. So, driving license क्यों नहीं बनाया? He says, because I don't have an election ID card, the voter's card. Voter's card क्यों नहीं बनाया? Because I don't have my ration card. Okay, तो ration card क्यों नहीं बनाया? For ration card you require bank passbook. बहाने मत बना. Don't find excuses. Why did you not get the bank passbook made? Because they are asking for
Driving.
ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस
driving license. So this is exactly what happens. Over the years, we have become conditioned. We have come to believe that this is how systems work, this is how we are supposed to think, and we refuse to go beyond those defined boundaries which sometimes are defined by ourselves. What I call as limiting self-beliefs, which are self-imposed. How many of you have heard this statement or read this statement? Can I have a show of hands, please? Wake up, guys. Show of hands. Okay. There are people who haven't read this statement, Between the Devil and the Deep Blue Sea. Okay. 1, 2, 3 people haven't heard of it. Okay, fine. So tell me, how many of you believe this is true? A known devil is better than an unknown angel. How many of you? Show of hands, please. How many of you believe that this is true? Most of you. How many of you believe this is not true? Can I have a show of hands?
Left hand, yes.
Alright, pretty much. How many of you have decided you will not raise your hand whatever I ask? Jagan, I knew you were obviously. You are in the cloud. Alright. So, this is the devil. For the people who selected devil because he is known to you, this is the devil. The devil is going to eat you up. It's going to chew you down. This is the devil and this is you. I hope that was clear. So the devil is going to eat you up, it's going to chew you down, it's going to suck every single drop of blood from within you, and still you want to select the devil? Because the devil is known to you. Most of the people raised their hands when I said, for those who did not, fantastic. But for those who did, you want to select the devil just because you know him. You are familiar with him. When choosing between the two evils, I always try the one I have never tried before. This is a statement by Mae West. So you have already selected a known evil, which is the devil. Why not for once? Why not for once? Try the unknown evil, the deep sea. Probably, you might find gold coins and treasure. I hope you all are able to see, which was not so easily decipherable initially. Now, can you see the gold coins lying at the bottom of the sea?
Yeah.
And the treasure chest? Fantastic. So the devil is going to eat you up. Here you might find treasure. So why not do it? Why not for once think outside of the box? Anyone has seen this image before? It's a copied image. It's not mine. Think outside of the box. It's not think out of the box. It is think outside of the box. So can you tell me what this is? Yes, sir. We'll start with the person who has been making us speak. Everest, what do you think this is?
Arts and classes.
Is that all you see here? Paresh bhai, what do you think this is? Okay, rules broken, fine. What about you?
If there is no solution inside the box, look outside.
Fantastic, okay, that's a classic textbook definition. Yes, what is this? Sorry? Stretch yourself. Fantastic. Anyone else wants to raise your hands and I'll come near you.
Jugaad.
Jugaad. Fantastic. Okay, yes?
I am fair.
Anyhow.
Find a way to win anyhow.
Think something
Okay.
different.
Break the rule.
Break the rules. Who said that? Break the rules, because for every single rule that is defined, everyone else in the room is going to follow the same rules. They are not going to break the rules. And if you work within the boundary of predefined boundary of the rules that are created by someone else, trust me, you are going to go only till that boundary, and this is how. Swear by the deep sea is going to stimulate your mind to break free from the shackles of strategies. Why is it important for you to be here? Because it is important for you to break free from the strategies that have yielded fantastic results till now and are not working anymore, or they are giving diminished results. How many of you are facing this, that 20 years ago the technique to win business as one is not working now anymore, or is working? Can I have a show of hands, please? How many of you feel that what you did 20 years ago is not giving you the same results as it is giving right now?
100%.
You didn't even realize I said it the other way.
Stage पे हम जब
So stimulation of mind is required to create a successful business strategy, something that you have not done or you are afraid to try out. See, 20 years ago, I'll tell you the reason in the background behind this. 20 years ago, possibly a lot of us had nothing to lose or very little to lose. Today, you all are business leaders in your own right. You have huge corporations running by you, being run by you. Today, if you are supposed to make a mistake and trip, you have a lot at stake, and that's why the fear of humans might be limiting you from breaking the rules. Shweta, military academy, तुमने अप्लाई किया था?
जी।
What nonsense!
पर आप और भैया भी थे, लड़कों का काम है बेटी। यही सोच तो बदलनी है ना पापा? जानते हो मैं क्या करूँगी? सिर्फ सिक्योर गेट्स के साथ रखो हौसले बुलंद।
Yes.
सिर्फ सिक्योर गेट्स का पत्ते बंद।
No, this was not an ad question. Neither am I a salesman of sanitary pads. It is up, work, hey, badalni. So it's time you change, time you think outside of the box, time you leave the strategies that worked well earlier and are not working well anymore. Between the devil and the deep blue sea, devil is what you would normally do. That's a natural reaction. Deep sea is what would you do? That is a departure from what you were doing earlier, the set norms. A radically opposite, different response. Sometimes it is just thinking beyond the mundane and beyond what everyone else does.
Before the players have actually been penalised, he's thrown it out before he's gone over, but I've seen that question in the past. It's ball back in, it's a magnificent catch. Mills caught and bowled, or caught shall we say, and caught again and bowled.
Have a look at this. It's short, then he got the ball back into play. Came back into play, and then takes it with one hand. Absolutely brilliant. Could be the catch.
Sir, do you think this would have been possible during Kapil Dev's times? This would have happened? नहीं? Okay. Maybe. But did this happen at that time? Okay. Sir, wouldn't have been possible. What about you, Anantram? Wouldn't have been possible. Why?
Competition.
Okay.
Being different.
Being different. Thinking beyond the boundaries.
Do or die. Do or die situation.
Do or die, right? But if you do not think of this, can you do it?
Sir, I
Maybe
think,
a do or die situation.
The money is more now.
The money is more now. Okay, but effectively everyone understood that this is what is going beyond the preset boundaries, right? To retain our leadership position, in fact most of you here are leaders of your organizations, and to retain your leadership position, you will have to need to create next generation strategies, something like this. Not jump tall at the boundary line, but jump out, take the catch while you come back. Whereas what most people, I'm not saying you guys are like that, you guys are pretty evolved, but most of the people on this earth are busy aping the others. बंदर से इंसान बनने को 2,22,000 साल लगे. इंसान से बंदर बनने के लिए 2 सेकंड नहीं लगते. He made big money in VMware. Let me get inside that. Suresh is doing good business in cloud. Let me get into that. Somebody signed up with Hitachi. Let me go and sign up with them. That's called aping. And what happens usually to people who ape? They get raped. And when you ape, you are in the rat race. And sir, can I request you to read out what's written?
Anybody?
Sir, yourself, yes.
Trouble with you, the great base is that even if you win, you are still in it.
Agreed? So even if you win a rat race, you are still a rat. You are number 1 rat. What they do not realize is, it is very simple. It is very simple to swear by the deep sea, to not be the rat. Use common sense. What is this called? Hourglass, right? What does it do?
Time.
Yes, it counts time. So what happens in case the upper portion, which is full right now, gets empty? Does time stop ticking? No. But the time denoting the time ticking gets over. So what do you do? What do you do to make time turn it upside down? So simple. Think different. Think opposite. Our ideas, strategies, like the timepiece the time gets over in the timepiece after a little while, the top hemisphere. The same way, your ideas have an expiry date as well, expiry time as well. So it's time to change those ideas now, at least the ones which are not working. Just turn it around and voila. Just a simple few examples of what I mean. What do you see is a remote control?
Universal.
So many times I have gone around the house, searched below the pillows, looked at the corners, went to the bathroom and checked it out, looked inside the fridge, finally found the remote after 20 minutes, came back and sat in front of the TV. When all I needed to do was go to the television and change the channel. How many of us do that? Lots of us. How many of us do that? Nobody is ready to accept it. That's one.
We have extra remotes.
Swear by the deep sea sometimes is as difficult as using that kind of common sense. It is as difficult. Because common sense सबके पास होती है. Use कोई नहीं करता, या तो बहुत कम लोग करते हैं. और जो हर बार करते हैं, जो कॉमन सेंस यूज करते हैं वो भी हर बार नहीं करते. So tell me one thing, what is this? What do you see on the screen? Sorry? Finger pointing. Anyone has a different view of this? Sorry?
It's me.
No, he was saying something, I'm sorry.
Three finger pointed.
Three fingers pointing at you. Is this right?
Yeah, bro.
How many of you agree?
Two fingers.
All of you agree?
One finger and one thumb.
One finger and one thumb. Okay. Anything else? Anyone else wants to say anything?
And the three are not pointing towards you, they are pointing towards.
Exactly. See, this is how. Point your fingers towards me. Point your finger towards me, all of you. Do that, please. I request you to point fingers towards me. Sir, please. Yes. See, what happens is, when I point a finger at you, three are pointing not towards me, but towards the inside of my palm, maybe towards my destiny line. And if you have a finger pointing action like me, it comes with a thumbs up, which is a sign of approval. Thumbs up is a sign of yes, do it, approval. Which means, when I am pointing finger at you, you bloody well deserve it, and it's in my destiny to show you this finger, right? Okay. Now, Mr. Zaki, right? Mr. Zaki will vouch for this, that if I was to do this in Iran or any of this Middle Eastern countries, my head would be chopped off, because this is equivalent to showing the middle finger. But why do you believe this? Why do you believe this?
Why so say?
Because it has been, you are buried, your thought process gets buried under heaps of sand which others have thrown on you. Sanskar. Okay, now tell me one thing. There is one more opportunity to swear by the deep sea. How many of you say that लड़कियां संस्कारी होती है या लड़के संस्कारी होते हैं ज्यादा? More honorable.
These days.
लड़की
Yeah. What is the belief? What is the standard belief?
लड़की
Girls? Okay, girls. Fantastic. I wanted to hear girls, so that's all I am hearing. So it is thought that girls are more honorable. Now I will give you an example. Okay, two girls are sitting together. One girl tells another, "Your brother is very smart, very handsome. Intro karana." Now imagine two boys doing that. So the secret of success is to know something nobody else knows, and now you know this, that लड़के ज़्यादा संस्कारी होते हैं. So now you know that there is a way to think differently, and you can apply this to your business. Whereas your competition, who has not taken the pains to attend this, or is not invited, still doesn't know, they are still going to go and embrace the devil. They are going to be chewed up. Create what others do not even know. That is what swearing by the deep sea will make you capable of. And let me show you one more example of that. What would you call this? Somebody please raise your hands.
Teamwork.
Teamwork.
Collaboration.
Collaboration.
Presence of mind.
Presence of mind, true. Collaboration is the message I wanted to give. So many people in the room, so many people with specific skill set, specific business focus, others can make use of that in this very room. We can partner. We can partner at our specific competency levels. Collaborate. Think outside the box. Stretch the limits of your imagination. So, swear by the deep sea. Is it a business evolution strategy? It is a fantastic way to stimulate the mind to break free from the shackles of the mundane, of the ordinary. But It is not just a business evolution strategy. Let's swear by the deep sea on certain other things. Can anyone tell me what Wagah border? Can you go a bit further and tell me what is the competition?
Trying to pull the thing.
No, what is being seen? That's it.
They want to pull the show the sign is showing
Aggression.
aggression between two
Okay.
neighbors.
Okay, and that's what happens.
Between soldiers.
That's what happens.
That's what happens. Indian and Pakistani coming in front of each other, even on peace missions, will always have some sort of animosity. What must be happening to Indian and Pakistani soldiers every day on Wagah border? They must be feeling the same anger, aggression, and Indians' head cut off and taken away by Pakistanis. Would anyone agree to that kind of barbaric act? Nobody would, right? But still, Pakistani will keep instigating you, and that's what a Pakistani soldier did in this photograph. He asked the Indian, तुम लोगों में और कुत्तों में कितना अंतर है? Indian did not react with the gun. He did not react with the devil's reply. He just coolly stood and said, "बस एक border का." He spoke like a deep sea and gave an intelligent reply. Now you can swear everything by the deep sea. This is actually applicable to all the aspects of your life. And trust me, life will improve. Invest by the deep sea. How many of you feel market अभी 30,000 हो जाएगा? It's touching some 20,000?
22,000.
22,000. So everyone, when the market is about 15,000, 16,000, 18,000, they started saying, अभी तो 30,000. Right? And when the market, the Sensex was 8,000, what were people saying? 2,000 हो जाएगा. निकाल ले, आज का आज पैसा निकाल ले. Right? Who makes more money? The person who took out the money at 8,000 and bought at 19,000, or the person who sold at 19,000 and invested at 8,000? Who's the person who made money? No replies.
Brokers.
Brokers, right? Okay, so just tell me, just use your common sense and tell me. Of course, you guys know this, but use your common sense and tell me, when you are going to a height at 8,000 feet, will you feel more afraid, or at 21,000 feet you will feel more afraid? Obviously, at 8,000 feet you will feel more afraid, right? No. At 21,000 feet, right? Yes, you will feel 21,000 is more risky than 8,000. Whereas when it comes to stock exchanges, when the market is above 19,000, they will say, "अरे चलो खरीदने का time आ गया." People are not afraid. They leave their common sense. They follow the rules which are set by others. जब लोग खरीदेंगे तब मैं खरीदूंगा. जब लोग बेचेंगे तब मैं बेचूंगा. Whenever you are in the company of majority, it's time to pause and reflect. You will definitely need something to guide you at that point. Sports by the deep sea. Now this is a very interesting example, and I am going to ask you why.
So the last man has come on, it's Miss Ball, look at strike, and it's Jyotika Sharma. To go in final over. This match will be final. 13 needed. Wide, he'll feel the pressure. Big decision for Dhoni. Should have been Jyotika Sharma, but same with his experience. He's opted for Jyotika.
Joginder
Defense the
Sharma.
Aussies, not 12 required, 6 balls to go.
Last over. Harbhajan
This is
Singh had
going
one
to be
over.
a huge over for Joginder Sharma. MS Dhoni has walked up to him, just possibly trying to calm his nerves. Let's get it right. Let's do the basics well here. Pitch it as full as possible.
This man, 12 to get, 5 to go. In the air, there's a 6. It's a magnificent strike.
How many of you had one Shaki and Joginder on this moment? I had.
We all had.
Go by the instinct.
Think unconventional. Think unconventional.
Because it worked. Okay. Hold your mouth. Yes, anyone else? Anyone else?
Body thought differently.
To eat the heart, so it became it was strategy different.
It is time.
It was strategy difference. Yes.
He showed the same ball again, so
You are
that
not lost until the last ball.
Calculated risk.
Don't show the opponent.
he bowled the same ball again, so that guy would have to ball.
Okay, he did not. Actually, you can watch the video again. Yes. Anyone wants to reply? Dhoni thought differently, and I think paper फूटा हुआ है. You attended one of my sessions before.
I answered even that time.
Okay. Yes, you did. I do remember. You see, the thing is, in modern cricket, whoever are accomplished bowlers, their action is sliced up to the last microsecond. And it would have been easy for Misbah-ul-Haq to read Harbhajan Singh. Whereas nobody in the world knew what is Joginder Sharma. Even I know. I had to ask his name just now while giving this presentation. Though I have given this presentation so many days. So nobody knew Joginder Sharma. Nobody knew how he would bowl. For Misbah, it was a surprise. There was a very good chance that he will make a mistake, and that's what he did.
Very good.
So this is the example of swearing by the deep sea when Harbhajan Singh had 1 over to go. It was Joginder Sharma who bowled the last over and he won, and India won. Now yes, you guys might say that it succeeded, so you are saying this is. It could have failed. Yes, it could have failed. Alright? Risk lena padega. You'll have to take risk because not taking risk is the biggest risk. And risk to Spider-Man को भी लेना पड़ेगा. Alright, so love by the deep sea. Now how many of you in Bombay, and this is going to be chast, Bombaya language, so pardon me ladies if you feel offended. Outside the colleges, what happens? There is a Tapori gang who is sitting at one corner, looking at girls who are coming and going. Right? And one guy like me goes and looks at a girl like this. पीछे से from behind somebody catches me and pulls me back. ए देखना मत, तेरी भाभी है. Or something like, अरे आप उनका माल है. देखने का नहीं. So you know, I mean, people like me, what they did was, they would go, अरे भाभी है ना, बोलना उसको you love her, बोलना प्यार करता है उससे. You know, for 3 months the same story goes on. You go and instigate him, propose to her. Propose करना क्या होगा, ना बोलेगी ना. So you know, one day that fellow goes with the rose in his hand and says, no, I love you. क्या करती है? चूड़ा निकालती है और मारती है उसको. Right? So what does Poonam do? She hits him. Next day, I go and ask that fellow. अरे नहीं, भाभी जा रही है. काहे की भाभी छीनाला है साली. क्या करता है उससे? See, look at this now. Swearing by the deep. Listen.
आप तो उस नंदू को हर रोज देखती है ना? साल भर पहले उसने अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को नहीं रोका और आज तक वो एक हाथ में बोतल एक हाथ में कुत्ता लेके खंबे के नीचे जिंदगी बसर कर रहा है और यही कहता है कि काश एक बार मैं उसको रोक लेता. अब भाभी मैं
I'm going to repeat this because
वो सगाई करने जा रही है. सगाई हुई नहीं उसकी. मुझे आपसे बहस नहीं करनी. भाभी आप तो उस नंदू को हर रोज देखती है ना? साल भर पहले उसने अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को नहीं रोका और आज तक वो एक हाथ में बोतल एक हाथ में कुत्ता लेके खंबे के नीचे जिंदगी बसर कर रहा है और यही कहता है कि काश एक बार मैं उसको रोक लेता. अब भाभी मैं जिंदगी भर काश नहीं कहना चाहता. हेलो या मैं भी गिर जा रहा हूँ. आ रहा हूँ.
अच्छा
प्रिया क्या कहूँ? एक्चुअली बचपन में मैंने कहानी सुनी थी. लव स्टोरी. हीरो को छोड़कर चल रही है और हीरो हार बनकर बैठ जाता है. फिर जिंदगी भर वो यही सोचता रहता है कि काश मैं उसे रोक लेता. रोकने की कोशिश तो करता तो शायद बात बन जाए. मैं जानता हूँ प्रिया मेरा कोई चांस नहीं है लेकिन मैं जिंदगी भर काश नहीं कहना चाहता.
राजू
what was the meaning of this?
Take a chance.
Understanding from this? Any understanding?
Try.
Keep trying.
I will do my bit. Sorry, best shot. I will do my bit.
I will do my bit.
I'll go to Greece.
Give it your best. Sorry?
Maximum no बोलेंगे क्या?
Maximum no बोलेंगे और क्या? Confidence. Grab the opportunity.
धीक बनो.
धीक बनो. No regrets. मैं जिंदगी भर कभी काश नहीं कहना चाहता. If you don't swear by the deep sea now, शायद after 20 years, after 10 years, you would say काश मैंने ये किया होता. और शायद आप भी एक हाथ में बोतल और एक हाथ में कुत्ता लेके brand by the deep sea. Now, what is the meaning of brand by the deep sea? People say, okay, whenever you are branding your companies, what were some of the things that you follow? I'm going to ask somebody to do it. Somebody from here can volunteer. Anyone of here who runs a company or owns a company, can please tell me when you are branding your product, service or company, what were the key things you kept in mind? So can I, if you are owner of your company, I would want you to say that.
Personalized service.
Personalized service. Okay, no. What were the key reasons for branding? What brand you? Yes. What were the things you kept?
Differentiator. So you create a differentiator.
Differentiator. Okay. Thank you so much. Yes.
Who should remember?
USPs. Fantastic.
Who should remember it?
People should remember it. Yes. That's exactly what I'm asking for. Names. How did you name it? What is the brand name selection process? What are the things?
Network the future today.
Perception, right?
Network the future today was a book.
No. I'm not asking for a brand.
You should resonate with what
The brand should
To
convey.
resonate.
The brand should convey what you do.
Okay, so resonate and do what you do. Do you do any negative things? ब्रांड को कभी यानी अभी आप बंगला बनाओगे कभी उसको स्वर्ग के बदले नर्क नाम दोगे? हाँ, आपकी बीवी वैसे भी बोल सकती है, but that's a different thing. कभी-कभी आप भी बोल सकते हो, right? Okay, so I'll ask you. Do you know what is Phantom and Ghost? Are they positive brand names? Phantom and Ghost. They are not positive brand names. And what are Phantom and Ghost? Rolls-Royce. World's most expensive car. That's Phantom and Ghost. Why? 1908, they named Ghost and Phantom. Who says brand name has to be positive? This is branding by the deep sea. Life by the deep sea, health by the deep sea, goals by the deep sea, study by the deep sea. These are the things, which are a full day workshop kind of things, if I have to cover all this. Governance by the deep sea. Mr. Sharma from Gujarat Corporation. Yes, sir. Now, let me tell you, and I want you guys to clap for a huge round of applause for what is being done by Mr. Sharma. Sir, I am honored to have you between us. The kind of work that is happening in Gujarat using IT, absolutely unbelievable. And sir gave us an absolute insight into how they are doing it. Now this is governance by the deep sea. Sir, have a seat, sir. Tell me one thing. Are you aware that the Indian government has invited 40,000 megawatts of power building in the country using nuclear power plants? How many of you are aware of that? Show of hands, please. You are not aware? Indian government is making sure that they buy second-hand plants, 40,000 megawatts capacity, nuclear power plants. Doesn't matter. Fukushima doesn't matter. Chernobyl never mattered. I met somebody progressive, just like our Mr. Sharma. He works in BEE, Bureau of Electricity, something, energy efficiency. He said, if Indian government gives me 20 months, subsidizes LED bulbs, I will ensure that by just changing the fluorescent lamps, incandescent bulbs across the rural households in the country, I will save 26,000 megawatts of electricity in less than 20 months. called governance by the deep sea. And that's what is required. That is what is required. Think outside of the box. Business by the deep sea, this is something which we have been doing. Okay, now what is this? Just a depiction of a sea. What does this mean to you?
Kurukshetra.
Okay, Sarthi. Sarthi. Somebody said Sarthi. We have a Sarthi amongst us, right? Another Mr. Sharma. Okay, so just here.
कर्मण्ये वाधिकारस्ते मां फलेषु कदाचन मां कर्मफल हेतुर्भूर्मा ते संकोच कर्मणि.
This is Bhagavad Gita, right? And you guys must have heard this shloka. How many of you have not heard this shloka? I'll be surprised if... Okay, Babo is one. Polar is one. Okay, fine. So, what does this mean? What does this shloka mean, Rajiv?
You don't think about the fruits of your
You don't think about the fruits.
of your actions.
Guys, this is very interesting. I mean, please show your hands so that I can come near you and... Can I have somebody take the microphone and go to people? I'm getting tired here. Walking around. Yeah, please.
Go on walking, don't think about the result.
Don't think about this. Okay? Someone else would like to volunteer? Yes, the gentleman will come to you, sir.
Do your duty without worrying about what it finally gives you.
Okay. Can I have it? Has anyone parked the car Ford? It's a Ford car 7345. It's blocking the trucks. Okay, okay. Great. Ford car, if somebody has gone to sleep with my workshop, can still wake up and... Okay. Yeah, who had the microphone? आपने उसको तो नहीं दी? Okay, yes sir, please.
Whatever the result, don't cry about it. Once it has happened, go on in life.
Fantastic. Okay, yes sir. Yourself?
Orissa.
You have right only to do your karma. You don't have right to expect the
Okay.
personal expectation.
No personal expectation. Yes.
Profit is the byproduct of good work.
Profit is the byproduct of good work. Any other views?
Follow your heart.
Follow your heart. No, what does this mean? Karmanye vadikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. What does the shloka say?
Focus on your work.
Karma kar. Nishkam kar. Okay, now I don't know why, but then I think you guys are absolutely unbelievable. For the first time in any of my workshop or consulting, I have found more people coming to the correct conclusion of what this means. Yes sir, please.
The effort is in your hands, the results are not in your hands.
Results are not in your hands. Okay. So, the actual meaning of this is, what I normally hear is, yes sir,
The result is depend on what you do.
result is dependent on what you do. Okay, now I mean I cannot take, I also have a limitation of time I guess. So, what I normally hear is, karma kar phal ki apeksha mat rakh. Right? How many of us has heard this at least? Most of you have heard this. Karma kar phal ki apeksha mat rakh. Okay, now we'll work out what exactly this means. Karmani, activity. Karma is activity to accomplish anything. Lead, guide from within. Lead activity to accomplish anything. Iva adhikara hate. Iva, really, certainly, only. Adhikar, right, authority, an established office. Ahate, fasten, secure, clasp, fix, guarantee, pays you, die. So we'll lead activity to accomplish anything, and certainly thy right is secured. Certainly your right is guaranteed. Ma phal issue. No, ma is no, do not. Phal is reward, not fruit, reward. Issue, recently or right now. Just in the past, just in future, just in present. Right? So what does this mean? If not rewarded right now, kadachana, sometime, anytime, ever, then anytime in future. Let's read this completely. Lead activity to accomplish anything and certainly thy right is secured. If not rewarded right now, then sometime in future. कर्म कर फल की चिंता मत कर, not अपेक्षा, चिंता मत कर. चिंता करने से कोई फायदा नहीं, तुझे फल तो मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. अगर अब नहीं मिला तो बाद में मिलेगा. एंड व्हाट डू पीपल, यानी हम छोटे थे तब से क्या बोलते थे, अरे तू काम कर तुझे फल मिलेगा, इसका कोई मैं गारंटी नहीं देता हूं, अपेक्षा ही मत रख, तू कौन काम करेगा. मैं आपको बोलता हूं रजनीश, you arrange for this conference, I don't guarantee you, I will not give you any sponsor की अपेक्षा मत रख. Will you do this conference? Might not. I don't want to put you in a fix. अगर आप कॉलेज में पढ़ते और आपको कहा जाता कि you study hard, but I am not going to give you good marks, why would you study? It's a different thing that this doesn't apply to wives. अच्छे कर्म करो और भूल जाओ, गारंटी से फल नहीं मिलेगा. And this is what is flown, not the wife's thing. The Gita shlok, the way I broke it up, is flown with this ma karma phala hetur burma, which means do not have a precondition to perform karma, which means do not say कि मुझे स्टैम्प पेपर पे लिख के दे भगवान कि तू मुझे ये देगा तो मैं काम करूंगा. और ते संगोत्सव कर्मणि, which means do not make it an excuse not to do work. अरे मैं ये टेंडर जीतने वाला हूँ, let me not fill the tender. Okay, so now this is going to be a rapid fire round. I am going to ask you guys to reply whatever comes in your mind with the statement that I am making, or what you think of. Immediately what you think of. Are you guys willing to play this game?
Yes.
Okay? You are ready to take the mic to them. Please do not speak out, just raise your hand so that Ravi comes to you and you can reply. Stairway to success is steep. What is your reaction? Raise your hands.
Yeah.
Exciting.
Exciting. Okay, someone else? No, not so. It's rapid fire. Not rapid fire.
Success is not going to be easy.
Sorry?
Success is not going to be easy.
Right.
Challenge.
Challenge.
Himalayas.
Yes, Himalayas. Right.
You slip for the way.
Stairway to success is steep,
But sure.
but sure. Okay. Whatever comes in your mind, do not be hesitant.
Good efforts.
Good effort. Challenging. Okay. Stairway to success is steep.
मजा आएगा.
You will find an opportunity to reply the next one. Take the elevator.
I am energy की जगह.
Next one. Separation hurts. Your reaction. Not response. Reaction. Sorry.
Find another one.
Find another one. Move on. Yes.
The new one could be much better.
Sorry.
The new one could be much better.
Positive. Art of positive thinking.
Emotional dependence.
Emotional dependence.
Do not separate.
Okay. Now the
दुनिया बढ़ने से प्यार भी बढ़ता है.
Sorry.
दुनिया बढ़ने से प्यार भी बढ़ता है.
Fantastic. Okay. What else? Backup रखो. You said that. Didn't you?
Contingency plan.
Backup before breakup. Okay. Now think about this for 1 second. Separation hurts. Separation doesn't hurt. What hurts is remembering the person who you separated from, the love for the person you separated from. But you will still think separation hurts. You all replied that same answer. Separation doesn't hurt. Think outside of the box. Swear by the deep sea. He should have used protection. My apologies to ladies. What did you think of? No, you cannot.
Helmet.
Yeah. One person who swore by the deep sea. Usually I hear some other answer. And incidentally, if you guys are aware, when cricket is a game, was becoming more dangerous
Yes.
with people, getting hit by season balls at all the wrong places. The groin guard or cross guard was the first to be invented. It was 60 years after that helmet was invented. Finally, man realized that brain is also important. You are ahead of everyone now. You are ahead of everyone. Yes, speak. It's okay. Now speak. You are ahead of everyone. What immediately comes to your mind?
Confidence.
Confidence. You are ahead of everyone.
False confidence.
You're going the wrong way.
Watch your backside.
You're going the wrong way.
Watch your backside. Hey, everyone is behind you. There is no difference between in-laws and outlaws.
Very true.
Outlaws are wanted. How many in-laws are wanted? Keep your feet firmly on the ground. Anyone? Keep your
Keep
feet
your
firmly
shoes
on
on the ground.
Sorry?
Keep your shoes on the ground, not the face.
Okay, shoes firmly on the ground. That's a fantastic addition. Yes. You gave me an idea for my legs.
You will stand in the same place.
Sorry?
You will not move further.
You will stand in the same place. Fantastic. You will not move further. Anyone else? Udoman. Fantastic. Anything else?
Touch the sky. Touch the sky.
Ready to fly. Okay.
Assess yourself.
Nobody thought of the basic thing.
Find the ground.
Feet firmly on ground. Patloon कैसे पहनोगे भैया? Anyway, I really learned a lot from this. I really loved this. Success knocks on your door only once.
Wrong.
Very good.
Remove the doors.
Now, the spark is happening. I can actually see the sparks flying. Alright, the answer is the next one itself. Knock the doors of success till success opens it. Right? Now, what comes to your mind with this? Success, knock the doors of success till success opens its doors.
knocking.
Somebody already said, use the doorway. Maybe success is deep inside. Bathroom में सुनाई नहीं देता. Doorbell बजाओ.
And keep your door transparent. Keep it
At
open.
times, all doors close on you.
Open the window.
Window.
Open the window. I usually hear, I'm telling you, you guys are fantastic audience. I'm really loving this. Half the people, sorry, 99% of the people, they reply me, तोड़ डालेंगे. Nobody thinks of windows. Nobody even, सब IT वाले नहीं सोचते हैं. Okay, so now this is, ladies, please look the other way. Or at least don't complain after the presentation that, oh, it was so offensive. Why do people point at the They got the joke. Why do people point at the watch while asking the time? अरे चेतन भाई कितना बजा देखो? कितना बजा शर्मा जी कितना बजा सर? कितना बजा जाकी? I'm going to go on the stage and ladies please look the other way now. Did I ask anyone when I came here the first day? Bathroom किधर है bathroom? I need to swear by the deep sea. Transformation by stimulating mind. Break free from self-imposed shackles of limitations. Create a path building strategy. Anyone feel something is weird in this statement? Last statement.
Path breaking, huh?
Yes, you normally use path breaking. Why break the path? Use a positive notation. At least, what will happen is, the person who is reading your brochure will feel, अरे यार कुछ अलग है. अब वक्त है बदलने का. Evolve as a business leader. Now, how many of you say this can be done? Can be done?
Yes.
The beginning can be done, right? Great. Because anything unattempted remains impossible. And even impossible is just an opinion. When Since when, I mean, from when do you want to start this?
Now.
Right now.
Right now.
If a pregnancy lasts beyond 9 months and some 12 days, the child is at risk. If a pregnancy lasts 9 months and 20 days, the child is killed and the mother is also at risk. So if you do not change now, there is a possibility the profits may die or may diminish, but there is also a possibility that companies might disintegrate, because if you keep working, waiting for just the right time, you may never begin. Begin from where you are, with what you are and with what you have. Do it now. Give a man a fish and he will eat for a day. Teach a man to fish and he will eat for a lifetime. Since in the beginning of this workshop, I told you guys that I am not here to teach you anything. मैं आपको क्या सिखाऊंगा, आप खुद बहुत ज्ञानी हो. But I hope this process or this way of thinking adds a spark to your normal thinking process, so that you can realize, recognize, reorganize and drive. This was my favorite statement once upon a time. Whatever you think you can and you can't, you are right. Do you agree with this?
Yeah.
Do you agree with this? Now, it is a different thing. How many of you even didn't realize that I started my presentation swearing by the news? Okay, my name is Kshitij Kotak. I have been in the industry since 21 years, not 18 years like somebody who introduced me said. ठीक है ना, आप लड़की के एडिट की शादी की उम्र देख रहे थे, मैं लड़कों की देखता हूँ. So we are innovators of black box. That is what we are known for now. And I am